Hello students, if you are writing this year UPSC 2025 prelims, you need to know some things even before releasing of notification. First one is, every year more than 12 lakh students, they will apply for this examination. But only few, like 1:50 ratio, they will clear this examination. And because of increasing of number of applications every year, UPSC is using this prelims as a weapon to eliminate as many students as possible in this race of competition. So if you want to clear this prelims, you need to follow a good strategy demand of UPSC, and you have to understand exactly what the question is asking, and you need to have a strategy to answer this prelims questions, and you need to prepare for CSAT. Don't neglect that. So for that, regular practice is very important. So I suggest you to join Rathod's IAS Academy test series, which is going to be launched on 29 September 2024. So here in this test series, we are going to give you a good strategy, good plan, and we are going to give you a schedule as per UPSC syllabus with micro listing of topics. And on every Sunday, you have test. And there are 35 tests. There are like subject-wise tests, sessional test, current affairs-based test, and also full-length test. Even CSAT is also included. So after every test is done, you are going to get the explanation part. And we are providing test on both online and offline. Online cost is just 3,500 rupees and offline cost is 5,500 rupees. And these tests will be going under my guidance, and my guidance will be getting to you for sure. And if you want to clear this UPSC prelims, which is going to be a hurdle, and if you want to become a civil servant, and if you are a serious aspirant, then you can come and join us. And if you want to contact us directly, you can call to the number which is scrolling on the screen. Don't forget and try to enroll now.
And I would like to thank the faculty of Rathod IAS for designing the prelims mock test course, especially the full length